Ever feel like your money is constantly slipping through your fingers? You're not alone. Millions of us struggle to keep track of subscriptions, hidden fees, and unnecessary spending. That's where financial management tools like Rocket Money come in. But what if you're already using Bank of America for your banking needs? Can you seamlessly integrate Rocket Money to get a holistic view of your finances? Absolutely. In fact, connecting the two is a breeze. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and finally ditch the financial chaos, buckle up, because we're about to show you exactly how to connect Rocket Money to your Bank of America account. Step 1. Download and set up Rocket Money if you haven't already. First things first, you'll need the Rocket Money app. Head over to your app store and download it. The sign-up process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen prompts to create your account. Don't worry, Rocket Money uses secure encryption to protect your financial data, so you can breathe easy. Step 2. Accessing linked accounts. Now that you're all set up with Rocket Money, it's time to connect your Bank of America account. Open the Rocket Money app and navigate to the Settings section. This icon usually looks like a gear and can be found in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in Settings, look for a section labeled Linked Accounts or something similar. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Finding Bank of America. Within the Linked Accounts section, you'll see an option to add a new institution. This might be a plus sign, plus symbol, or a button that says Link a New Account. Tap on that, and you'll be presented with a search bar. Here comes the fun part. Type in Bank of America and watch it appear in the search results. Select the official Bank of America logo to proceed. Step 4. Secure login with Bank of America. Now, Rocket Money will securely connect you to Bank of America's login page. This ensures your login credentials stay safe with your bank and are never shared with Rocket Money directly. Enter your usual Bank of America username and password, just like you would when logging into your online banking. Step 5. Granting Rocket Money access. Once you've successfully logged into your Bank of America account, you might be prompted to review and grant Rocket Money access to view your account information. This typically includes your account balance and recent transactions. Don't worry, Rocket Money can't make any transfers or changes to your account. It simply reads the data to give you a clear picture of your finances. Step 6. Relax and let Rocket Money work its magic. After granting access, you're all set. Rocket Money will now securely connect to your Bank of America account. It might take a few minutes for the initial sync, but after that, you'll see your Bank of America account information reflected within the Rocket Money app. The power is in your hands. With Rocket Money connected to your Bank of America account, you can finally see all your financial data in one place. Track your spending habits, identify unnecessary subscriptions, and leverage Rocket Money's tools to save money and take control of your financial future. Remember, financial wellness is a journey, not a destination. But with Rocket Money as your partner, you'll have the information and insights you need to make informed decisions and build a brighter financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.